Itemine ria guthaitira andu akuru, thirikari ni igathikite mitaratara ya kuongerera namba ya andu aria mamukagira kigina kia Inua Jamii. Kuringana na mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya uruti wira wa MUINGI Joseph Mutari, namba ino ni yongererekete kuma andu milioni 1.2 nginyagia andu milioni 2.5, na namba ino ni itanyitwo kwambatira makiria wona thirikari yambiriria kwandikithia andu othe aria makinyitie miaka 70.
One of the key achievements during the conference was the commitment to increase the number of Inua Jamii beneficiaries from the current 1,233,000 to 2.5 million. I am happy to report that the first phase, targeting 500,000 new beneficiaries, as we intend to do 100% other than the 500,000. That is the guide of His Excellency the President the other day, that we do all, and then we shall be implementing the payments in phases.
Mihango ino ya kwandikithia andu makiria itanyitwo kwambiria tariki 1 mweri ukite. Mutari ni ongereire kuga thirikari ni igathikite mitaratara ya gutigirira akuru aya hamwe na andu aria makoragwo na mawathe ni mariamukagira kigina gikio mweri atari gucerithirio ta uria mutongoria wa bururi Daktari William Ruto athanite.
And this is a request to the banks that kindly let us improve on the long lines that we see. Let us also improve on the distances that these beneficiaries go to get the payments. You can imagine if they spend all the 2,000 in transport to go and get the money. It doesn't pay.
Mutaratara wa Inua Jamii ukoragwo uri wa kuhura njeki kimbeca andu akuru aria matehotete na aria mari na mawathe kuria mundu amukagira ciringi 2,000 o mweri.